Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this update video. So I haven't done a lot of filming in the last couple weeks. I came down with an illness and was very sick, and on top of things, my poor little one who's 11 had a child run into him at school and broke his nose. It was all an accident, but he had a broken nose for about half a week before we finally ended up getting in to see a doctor, and basically they put his nose back into place and he's all good to go. And he's such a tough kid. He's back skiing and doing all his normal things. So it has been quite a crazy couple weeks, to say the least, and I'm just happy to be feeling a little bit better. And again, I just really miss crafting, so glad to do some things. I did some videos earlier today, and I have the next card kit available as well, so maybe I'll just quickly show the cards that are upcoming, and you can check the link below if you want to go to my card kit channel. So I've got a vintage card with the butterflies, and I have tutorials on this, and I've got a Valentine's or love card in that kit. I've got this wonderful card with these fancy papers and vellum and this shoe. I've got another vintage card, really like this card, the compilation of this card with the die cuts and the definitions and the images, really like that card. As well as I have this card here with these purples and craft mixed, and I've got embossing both dry and wet going on in this card as well. So if that interests you, you can check out my card kit channel, which is linked down below. I also finished this card for my design team challenge. We had to make a winter card, and of course I did this when I was not exactly feeling well, but I did come up with this card, and I thought I would show it in this little update with the different layerings going on in the card. Right now, I'm sure most of us don't want to think about winter, but of course the challenge was winter, so I had to go with the snowman theme. And just a quick update on my bullet planner, which I did a video on. It has been going really well. I've actually been using it. I really like a lot of the pieces in this planner. And again, I'm just finding that I'm actually using it and checking things off. There are some things I still haven't done, like I haven't completed some of the pages of the information, but some of them I have, and I'm finding that it's just helping to keep me a lot more organized. So I thought I'd just share that the bullet planner is going really, really well. So that's it for this update. Just wanted to update you on why I've been gone, and that I got videos going on in the process now, and I'm starting to both film and edit them, so I should have more videos up shortly. It was just really hard to do this while I was sick, and again, everything going on with my little boy. Again, if you're interested in the card kit, you can check out the link down below and you can get yourself a kit, or even just watch the videos of each card being made, and I will link that down below. So just want to thank you for watching this update video. I hope everyone is doing good. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca, and you can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.